Meet our Eco Pretty Blender made with 50% upcycled coconut husk and packaged in a biodegradable bag. This is our new favorite makeup applicator. It applies liquid, creams, and powders flawlessly. We recommend getting it wet first, simply running the blender under water, squeeze the excess water, and then squeeze into a clean towel. You don't want any water dripping from the blender. You'll notice the Pretty Blender expands to twice its dry size and the texture is buttery soft, applying your products even more smoothly. The different edges of the blender make application precise and easy. I love using the bottom to apply my foundation all over. The slanted side with the pointed tip makes applying products under my eyes a breeze. Especially love applying my setting powder with this side. You can also use the blender dry, which I find works well with powder products. Simply wash with mild soap like our Pretty Everything soap after use to keep your Pretty Blender performing its best.